Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can restore any missing or deleted services on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let's bring up the services window first. Now, if any of the services right here is missing or is gone, then what can you do? We need to fix that because these services are very important for your Windows to function or for your Windows to work. So here's what we can do. This is through the command prompt. We are going to run some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here, just follow me for the command. Type DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health and hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so we need to be patient and waiting for the process to be fully completed. So let's just wait for this. Then let's open another command prompt. Type here CMD, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here we need to type sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit on enter. Now this process will also take some time, so we just need to wait for this. Once done, just type exit and then hit enter. And then also once this is done, you just need to type exit. Now we're not going to wait for this to be done because this will take more minutes. So once this is done, just type exit and then hit on enter, and then you just have to finally make a restart of your Windows. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.